Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss exercise 3.4 from the chapter Playing with Numbers. Question number 1. Find the common factors of first 20 and 28, 15 and 25, 35 and 50, 56 and 120. So, answer first, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So, common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. Then bit B, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. So, common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Then bit C, we have to find the common factors of 35 and 50. So, factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So, common factors of 35 and 50 are 1 and 5. Next, we have to find the common factors of 56 and 120. So, factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 60 and 120. So, the common factors of 56 and 120 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then question number 2. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12, 5, 15 and 25. So, answer first, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Next number, factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So, common factors of 5 and 25 are 1 and 5. Question number 3. Find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8, 12 and 18. So, answer first, multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 72 and so on. Then multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and so on. So, common multiples of 6 and 3, here we have to write the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72 and so on. We can write the next common multiples also. Next bit, we have to find the 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. So, multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Then multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108 and so on. So, common multiples of 12 and 18, first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108. Then question number 4, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So, answer, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. So, these are the multiples of 3 less than 100. We have to write all the multiples of 3 less than 100. Then multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96 and 100. So, first we have written all the multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. Then we have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. So, they are 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Then question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? 18, 35, 15, 37, 30 and 415, 17 and 68, 216 and 215, 81, 16. So, to prove they are co-prime, first we have to find the factors of both the numbers. If they have the common factor 1 only, then they will said to be co-prime. So, first number we have to prove whether 18 and 35 are co-prime or not. So, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 10 and 35. Common factor of 18 and 35 is 1. Since both have only one common factor, that means 1, therefore they are co-prime numbers. Next numbers are 15 and 37. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 37 are 1 and 37. So, common factor of 15 and 37 is 1. Since both have only common factor, that means 1, therefore, they are co-prime number. Next numbers are 30 and 415. So, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30. Factors of 415 are 1, 5, 83 and 415. So, common factors of 30 and 415 are 1 and 5. Since both have more than one factor, therefore, they are not co-prime numbers. Next numbers are 17 and 68. So, factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. So, common factors of 17 and 68 are 1 and 17. Since both have more than one common factor, therefore, they are not co-prime numbers. Factors of 216 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, 36, 54, 72, 108 and 216. Factors of 215 are 1, 5, 43 and 216. So, common factors of 30 and 415 are 1 and 5. Since both have more than one common factor, therefore, they are not co-prime numbers. Next numbers are 81 and 16. Factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So, common factor of 81 and 16 is 1. Since both have only one common factor, that is 1, therefore, they are co-prime numbers. Question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Answer. The product of 5 and 12 is equal to 5 into 12, that is 60. Therefore, the number must be divisible by 60. Then question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? So, answer is factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, therefore, the number which is divisible by 12, that number also be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Thank you.